Why cut back on sugar?
Too much sugar can lead to health issues like weight gain, energy crashes, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Reducing your sugar intake doesn't mean giving up enjoyment. It's about making small changes that preserve the flavors you love while supporting your well-being and keeping your meals satisfying and delicious.
Rethink your sweeteners.
Try using natural sweeteners like cinnamon, vanilla, or citrus zest to enhance flavor. These options add depth and a sense of sweetness with little or no sugar. Explore spices such as nutmeg or cardamom in baked goods and drinks. You'll cut down on sugar while still enjoying rich, appealing tastes in your favorite recipes.
Upgrade everyday choices.
Swap sugar-heavy snacks and drinks with fresh fruit, unsweetened yogurt, or sparkling water with lemon or berries. Choose whole grain cereals or oats over pre-sweetened varieties. Gradual changes like these help your taste buds adjust while keeping meals and snacks satisfying.
Master smart baking tricks.
When baking, reduce sugar by 1/3 without a major change in taste. Add mashed bananas, applesauce, or dates for natural sweetness and great texture. Experiment with recipes that use naturally sweet ingredients. This way, treats stay enjoyable but lighter in added sugar.
Train your taste buds.
Tastes adapt over time. Gradually reducing sugar lets your palate adjust so you crave less and enjoy the natural flavors of foods more. Soon you may find that foods you once loved taste too sweet, and you'll appreciate new, subtle layers of flavor.
Enjoy food without sacrifice.
Cutting sugar doesn't mean eating bland food. With a few simple tricks, you can reduce sugar, boost flavor, and keep meals and treats delicious. Experiment with these shortcuts and discover how easy it is to enjoy healthier, flavorful meals every day.